तुमने बहुत लोगों से सुना होगा कि बिलीव योर सेल्फ। आई नो दैट कि आई हैव टू कीप अ बिलीफ ऑन माई सेल्फ, बट वॉट इज द पॉइंट ऑफ दैट बिलीफ इफ आई एम नॉट पुटिंग द वर्क? वॉट इज द पॉइंट ऑफ दैट बिलीफ? I know that ki I'm not putting that work, but I'm just saying for name's sake that ki I believe myself I will be successful one day. What is the point of telling that ki I will believe that you I will top this exam? पर हालांकि जो एग्जाम में जो एग्जाम के लिए जो प्रिपरेशन थी you have started none actually. So what is the point of it believing? I can say that ki keeping belief in yourself will help you actually. It will help you to become optimistic, but it will not give a practical answer for you. It will not give a genuine answer which you are looking for. It will just you can say that a top layer to protect yourself from the real thing what's going on in surrounding. So just ask a question to yourself. That's why believing yourself will get the thing you want. Because most people tell that कि believe करना चाहिए, you will get what you want. It's okay. I'm not telling it's bad, but this world works in a practical reality. It do not works in only visualization aspect. I feel that कि visualization brings and change, पर अगर तुम बस mental masturbation करते हो तो how do you expect the things to change actually? You cannot win the World Cup by just imagining it. You just have to enter the field, work hard. You have to think different from the other people. You have to compete with each other. Then you might get a chance to play in that World Cup. जीतने तो बहुत अलग बात है. हाँ, you can win, but first you have to enter the field. Without entering the field, तुम किस तरह से सोच सकते हो कि I can win the World Cup भाई साहब? Because most people लोग उसी में time waste करते हैं. So what I can say that ki, instead of saying that ki, I believe myself, just change the identity of you that think that ki, I will build a proof so that ki, my mind will actually get a proof. Try to change that identity from just thinking. Make sure that you build an proof or you can say evidence. It can be anything. It can be the work you do, the exam you are studying for, or the you can say in this, or you can say that you are competing in a sports. You can say the video I'm creating or the video I'm editing. It can be anything. Instead of just saying that कि मैं बस I just believe that कि मैं things change होने वाले हैं. I just believe that कि there will be a change in my life. I will be so successful. Change it and say that कि I will build a proof, and my mind knows if I build a proof, my mind knows कि I will do it certainly. Like genuinely, if you build a proof and evidence of that work which which you want to do, your mind genuinely, or you can say automatically, or you can say subconsciously will gain that self belief. You can say will gain that motivation from yourself, and you don't need to take worry about it. If you put that work, you just need to think how you need to put the work, how you need to put an evidence for your mind. Yeah. So for me, in my case, if I want to say a story to you, or if you can say that how I build that proof for myself, I started with my social skills, with my communication skills. You can say, at the beginning level, you can say when I was my 10, 11, 12, or you can say from way childhood, मैं उस टाइप का बच्चा नहीं था जो लोगों से घुल मिलता हो, लोगों से इजीली बात करता हो. No, I was that kind of student जो कोने में होता है. He is just a silent kid who is just you can say avoiding the people interaction. He's just interacting with the known people you have. पर जब उसकी बारी आती है लोगों के सामने स्पीक करना, बोलना, हाथ उठा के टीचर के सामने पूछना, उसकी नहीं हो पाती है. क्यों नहीं हो पाती है? बिकॉज ही हैज कंडीशन हिमसेल्फ फॉर ईयर्स दैट की he has conditioned himself for years, and how he can expect the change in all of a sudden, you can say that. And it was pretty difficult for me to make a change. For years I was a kid actually, like he was a silent kid. भाई तुम सोचते हो ना इंट्रोवर्ट साइलेंट बच्चा जो कोने में होता है हर क्लास में, हर एक कोई ना कोई क्लास में होता है. Just make sure of him. I was that kind of student. I was that kind of a kid actually. And I used to look up to the people who are just you can say कि जो अपनी स्कूल के टाइम पे uh, who will be playing sports, जो मेडल अचीव करते हैं, they are just popular. I used to look up at them and think that कि wow, like why I'm not like them, like why I'm not popular, because my mind craves for it, like that appreciation from the people side, and it's not wrong either. if I do not do the work, how I can expect to become popular in front of the people I know? So what I did is that when I was about to join a college, so I started learning communication skill. I started, like I first invested in, you can say, in communication course, and after that मैंने उस things को नोट डाउन किया, समझने की कोशिश करी कि what is the way of communication, how the things work when you're having conversation with people, what things you need to make sure that you are not making mistakes, so that तुम्हारी communication skill, your social skills, the way you interact with people, the way you approach people changes actually. So I studied, and उसके साथ साथ बस स्टडी करना इनफ नहीं था, एक्शन लेना बहुत जरूरी था. Why? Because if I am doing this theory path, practical path करना भूल गया तो what is the point of exam? What is the point of proving yourself that कि you have prepared for the exam? It's just an example, but genuinely, अगर तुम साल भर पढ़ते रहते हो, if you do not have an exam, or you can say some kind of anything that makes you prove that I have done preparation for it, so what is the point of the studying? Yeah, if you are studying anything, like if I'm studying this kind of books, I have to implement in real life, and that is the practical thing. तभी तो थिंग्स बदलती है. बस थ्योरी पार्ट से बदलना होता तो कब का बदल होता लाइफ मेरा. Theory part is just that is giving a knowledge to your mind, it's giving information to your mind, it's giving and data to your mind, and it's a good thing. Why? Because you are feeding your mind with the information, with the knowledge. It's good, but if you want to make your mind much more stronger, just try to implement that knowledge, information in real life, and see that there is a fucking difference into it. There will be difference. Why? Because most people live in the theoretical part, they will not take the practical part. And when you see yourself that you are the only few in people who is just trying to make a change. It can be anything in any area of life, in any area of your life. You will get that fucking motivation in your life that I'm the fucking god. You will feel that your energy level will be on peak level. Why? Because you have done the thing which you wanted to do. Because you have build that proof which you wanted for your mind to gain that belief, to gain that motivation, and you have did by through work. When the time came to take the practical part, many refused here, like for 2 months, 3 months, 4 months. Until then, my college start होने वाला था. And at a moment, I had to decide that कि मुझे अगर कुछ change लेके आना है, तो कुछ action लेना है. And that's when the things started to change actually. When I started to take action, when I started to be practical. And that is where I started approaching people, where I started introducing myself, where I started participating in college event, you can say, and through that I improved my confidence. Through that I gained that belief, proof that fuck bro, I can also improve my communication. That the thought came in my mind that I was not never a shy kid student, you can say that जो introvert ho. He was just lacking the exposure, the environment, what I was trying to improve. मुझे कभी communication skills problem थे नहीं actually. What I really lacked the exposure. What I really lacked the action part, and that is where the things change. Why the things change? Tell me. Why? Because I built a proof. I built the evidence which was really required for me to change things, and that proof gave me that fucking motivation that I am fucking good at communication now right now. Like when I speak from now, from this present, when I have improved my communication skill, may from you can say from the back of my mind, you can say from pure 100%, I can say that I'm fucking good at communication right now. There might be some improvements needed, but one thing I can say that I have improved my social skill as well. Like I can approach, I can talk, I can the fucking belief, the fucking confidence in my voice. You can say the conviction in my voice. It came from when I built the proof, when I did the proof part, when I showed the evidence to my mind that I can fucking do to myself, not to others. The validation to through my work to myself only, not to others. And it gave a fucking boost to myself. That gave a fucking boost to my self-esteem, self-confidence. So you are just lacking two steps, or you can say one step behind, just getting that self-belief that I can do, I can be successful. Just try to build that proof for your mind and say that things किस तरह से बदलती है.